Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can cancel Shopify subscription. First up, open your Shopify store, as you can see here on your screen, and then click on the settings right here at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Once you click on settings, you will find then some of the options here at the left side. Now, what you're going to do is basically click on the plan right here, and then here you will find your subscription. So as you can see, I am using the trial version, but if you subscribe to a plan, you can basically find the cancel subscription button right here. So for example, I'm going to cancel trial. And then here, you just need to answer here, what is the main reason you're choosing to close the store? For example, you can just select any of the reason here. And why are no longer focusing on the store? You can then basically select the answer. And finally here, you just have to enter the password to basically deactivate your store. And your subscription plan will be canceled. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.